A 34-year-old man walks a young woman into a park after dinner, then traps her inside a toilet cubicle at Kallang Riverside Park, and the court says what happened next was so serious, he's now been jailed for 7 years and caned. This case has shocked many in Singapore because it wasn't a random encounter on the street. The victim actually knew the man. Here's what happened. The victim is a 21-year-old woman. Back in 2023, she had applied for a job at the man's company. She was offered the position but decided not to take it. Then in January 2024, the man contacted her again through social media. The two agreed to meet up for dinner on the 15th of January, 2024, because the woman believed the man could potentially become a client for her family's business. At around 7 p.m., they had dinner at a fast food restaurant near Lavender MRT station. After that, at about 8:02 p.m., they went for a walk and ended up at Kallang Riverside Park. But things took a dark turn after the woman went to the restroom. When she came out of the cubicle, she was shocked to see the man waiting right outside. He made an inappropriate request. She refused immediately. But he moved closer, locked the cubicle door, and prevented her from leaving. According to the case facts, he then molested her and forced himself on her while she resisted and pleaded for him to stop. The assault only ended when he heard footsteps outside the cubicle. That sound likely stopped things from going further. After that, the man left, but what happened next made the situation even more chilling. He returned the woman's laptop and then taunted her, telling her to report it to the police. And then he rode away from the scene on an e-scooter. The woman later reported the incident at a nearby police station at around 9:10 p.m. that same night, with a friend by her side. During that process, she realized the man had unfollowed her, blocked her on social media, and deleted their messages. But she had already taken screenshots, and those messages would matter later. In the early hours of the 16th of January, the man even asked his then-girlfriend to drive him to Malaysia. He was later arrested when he returned to Singapore on the 19th of January, 2024. In court, the prosecution highlighted how the man trapped the victim inside the cubicle, making it difficult for her to escape or call for help. He faced 5 charges in total, but he admitted to 2, while the remaining charges were taken into consideration for sentencing. In the end, he was sentenced to 7 years jail and 4 strokes of the cane. The court also heard that he had a prior record involving sexual misconduct from many years ago. Now here's the question for you. Should penalties be even harsher for cases where someone uses trust, familiarity, or fake friendship to get close to a victim before committing a serious offense? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this report useful, help us keep Singapore informed. Like, share, and subscribe to 2230.